TEDx and HALT have a common vision, mission. They both focus on innovation, internationalism, and entrepreneurship, which is what actually characterized our school, our business school.
TEDx Brussels has been running for some time now. It's a really great environment to meet 2,500 intelligent, educated and curious people who are keen to develop their careers further.
This kind of approach based on exchanging ideas, innovation, creativity is definitely something that is at the core of our business as providers of education.
Well, it's a great experience. Vletic certainly encouraged me, gave me the insights needed to start a company. I had my own ideas in the past, but it really brought to me a different insight, a different mindset that, let's say, encouraged me to start my own venture.
Well, the people that come to TEDx or that attend TEDx events are very open-minded and they want to actually enjoy lifelong learning. They're open-minded to any subject, and I think that's what brings together a nice mixture of people. I think that's a bit where TEDx and Vlerik come together. Our alumni typically, they did an MBA or they did an executive education or a master's degree, so they enjoy lifelong learning as well. They want the best out of their career.
But the people who take time out, who invest in coming to an event like TEDx, they're early adopters in a marketing sense. They're curious as to what new developments are. They want to hear different opinions. They want their thinking to be challenged. And that's the kind of people we're looking for in our Antwerp EMBA program.
Being here is definitely in line with the kind of people that we attract in our business school and that are here today as well. We constantly interact with the business world, with the business community, to make sure that our feelings of what is important for our business community in Belgium, but also internationally, is met in our program.
We always ask our professors and our participants, we really require change from them. So we want them to adapt quickly, and we like to believe that we actually help boosting that change, so that we helping society to move forward as well, with actually letting our alumni graduate and helping them to succeed in the changing environments.